this is Srinivasan Ramanujam, founder and CEO of Career Mudra. Today we are going to discuss about the most important thing in every entrepreneur's life, right? So all the businessmen or whoever wanted to become an entrepreneur or wanted to start a business in any line, any domain, okay? So you have to focus on this topic, right? That is multitasking versus single tasking. Which one is best? Because once you started your business, okay, so you have lot of things to take care of, right? So as a business owner, you need to take care of a lot of activities, physical activities, mental activities, and your employees problems and challenges, and your personal challenges, your professional challenges, your customer meetings, your marketing people meetings, challenges again. There are important thing about the budget allocation, and how much do we have for this entire year. Are we enough planned? Do we have a scheduling system in proper? There are so many things once you become an entrepreneurship, right? Once you become an entrepreneur journey, you have to take care of these things. So what the 80 to 90% what I have seen in my life, in my entrepreneurial life, there are people who work 24 hours daily, right? I've seen many people. Yes, of course, sometimes we need, sometimes it requires, but is it, are we in right track? Are we in right path to achieve whatever our goal is? In my opinion, during this tenure, even I was like that, and I've changed myself into, focusing one task at a time. Okay, that means the efficiency you are getting for doing single tasking at single tasking is the most efficient way for every business to succeed. That's what my opinion. It is, I can't compare with anyone else. This is my entire my opinion. Okay, so multitasking is that will that not sufficient or leading to successful? In my opinion, multitasking is leading to stress out. You will get lot of stress doing all the work at a time, and also quality wise it is not up to the mark. So I won't suggest doing multitasking each and every day, right? It is not possible, and it is not actually all the scientists, all the researchers in neuroscience, who are studying the brain, they are talking or they are discussing, they have proof saying that multitasking it's not good enough to handle any kind of the business to succeed. Okay, so the first thing is this topic about single tasking is more efficient, right? So we are going to see about there are 7 secrets to succeed doing single tasking. Okay, so what are those 7 secrets? We will just see one by one. It is very mere, by putting into practice, it will all be done. It is not quite different thing apart from you have to take care of nothing. So it just a practice. So you how do you eat, how you are going to eat 3 times daily, the same thing. It has to follow up, right? The one thing is accept that your brain is not built to multitask. Okay, so this is the first and foremost thing you have to take care of. Please accept that your brain will understand one task at a time. The multitasking, it is, there are, people are doing still, multitasking, they are following up. But what I would suggest, even the researchers and scientists saying that the brain is, our brain system, our neuro system, it is just built for one task at a time. Okay, so this is if somebody is saying that multitasking is very very, you should need to have, you should focus on, please don't listen. Okay, I think, in my opinion, it's a myth. Okay, there is nothing, it is like, maybe we can say that word, that terminology, into shifting things from one thing to another thing. That's it. It is not a multitasking, I would say, right? So shifting one task to another task, that's why I just say again, it's moving rapidly, and is, the effectively between the tasks. I'm not, sure about how the outcome will come. The outcome of the multitasking, it's always, maybe, you have to redo the process, you have to revisit the work you have done, and lot of things, maybe it will lead into error. Yes. Okay, so please take care, avoid doing multitasking, and also please just keep in mind, our brain is not capable of, it is not built in such a way that the multitasking will work. Okay, so this is the first thing. Second thing is, build up your focus or concentration. This is the most important thing. You have to always be focused, and also you have to concentrate on your daily routine or daily schedule. What is important, what is least important, what is the most important, what is the urgent work, what is the immediate work. So you have to because daily, we could face urgent work, immediate work, all the things will get urgency. But you should know, as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, you should know which one is urgent, which one is the most important, which one you should go and have your presence on each and every task. You should have all the things. Okay, so this is the second thing. So again, you have to build the focus on each and everything. So if you are working on something, please finish up and then go. Finish up and then you focus on the other thing. Okay, so focus. The third thing is, control your environment. This is again very very most important thing. Control, how to control, because I'm just in my office. I always have my phone switched on, and then my every notifications is just switched on. What can I do? So there are a lot of interruptions, there are a lot of messages, WhatsApp messages, SMS, Facebook messages, just notifications, Instagram notifications, all the social media notifications, which is coming on and on, right? How do I restrict myself and do my work very efficiently? First and foremost thing, depend on your daily schedule. Okay, just whatever, if you are started doing your work, which is the most priority, at that time please switch off all your notifications and put your phone in a silent mode or in airplane mode. That's fine. Okay, that time is for yours to improve your business, to improve your organizations, the capacity of generating more revenue, right? It will give you more things. So that is most important thing, and we should take care, and we should, don't think that every call you should attend and you should answer. No, nothing is urgent, right? So you can just schedule it, no issues. Even the customers call you, they can wait. Okay, you can just call back, and you can have a very nice discussion after that. No, nothing will change, right? So that's in our control. We need to control that. Okay, the next thing is, immerse yourself in one thing. Immerse yourself in one thing at a time. Okay, you have to go in depth, then only you have to give 100% of your of the output. Wherever you are, whatever you are doing, focus and you know, all the switch off everything, the environment, take care of everything, control your environment and immerse yourself in one thing at a time. So don't fall, I mean, you know, again, you know, your mind or your mind was you know, giving all the things into your you know, thing, and then you know, you have to keep on focusing lot of things. So don't do that. Okay, so just please, you know, aware, please be cautious. You are going to do only one thing at a time. Okay, next thing is, fifth thing, manage the external thoughts, what I said, right? External thoughts quickly and systematically. Okay, something you are getting urgent call, or you know, you should answer without fail. What should you can just, you know, message them. You can just, you know, you don't have to answer immediately. You can just message them saying that I will call you back. Very simple. Okay, and then the thought process, you will come across tremendous task, I mean thoughts, you know, at a time. Please focus, control, focus on only one thing again. Okay, and the sixth one is cluster related task. Okay, so in a day, lot of things are doing, lot of things are we are scheduling, right? So we'll just give kind of a buckets, kind of a scheduling system. No, maybe, you know, in your in one day, just emailing time should be one day. You know, contacting customers is a specific time. You just put a specific time for each and everything. Okay, and then, you know, follow the process, follow systematically how you are responding to the calls, and also follow your social media or your clients, your feedback and everything at one time. So manage your time like this, and then focus only one thing at a time. Again, for this, for everything you are doing, please, it should be, you know, one task at a time. Very simple. Okay, so if you deviate this process, again you will get a lot of confusions, lot of thoughts, and you will be deviating your work here and there, and nothing is going to come out 100% perfect. Fine. The seventh one is carve out regular time for quiet reflection. What is that? So it is very see, we have to have some energy and we have to have some creativity, because we are the business owners, and we have to take care of our inner thoughts and inner, you know, thought process, and that is when your business is, you know, we can keep alive. Okay, even our we have to keep ourselves energized, you know? We have to charge ourselves. For that, we have to sit very calm, and we need to, you know, thought in a quiet manner. So we need to have a personal time for us. Without this, you know, our business will not going to develop further, right? You can be an entrepreneur, you can be successful, but at some point we'll get stagnated. So don't do that. So please, every day, please allocate you know, special time, and allocate some you know, 15 to 20 minutes. Sit, relax, and give, you know, start you know, thinking of how to improve your business. I mean, to the business core, you can just think of it, and you will get more ideas, and then the ideas will get implemented after that, right? So this, I hope, you know, it will help you to, you know, move out successfully. And please follow the single tasking system, and these 7 steps will lead you to success. All the best. Thank you so much.